Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today we have for you a 2021 Erskine. 900-550 is the item number or part number of this machine. It's going to be their universal standard flow skid steer stump grinder. This grinder is a variable flow unit. I'll have that in the description. Has fully adjustable leg package, standard skid steer mount. Does require a case drain. So all you guys running M series loaders, we can take care of you on that. Your Kubota SSV, SVLs, all your 65s, 75s, 90s, 95s, 97s, we can take care of you there on this also. Comes with a universal pistol grip style control, which I'll cover here in a second. But keep in mind, your cheap junky stump grinder, all it does is you're going to swing a skid loader. This swings in an arc, which is what you want, just like a traditional big stump grinder does. So you have hydraulic up and down, hydraulic left to right, so it's a fully functioning stump grinder. Come on, we're going to take you around this unit and show you. Front rubber flat deflector, full carbide head, all replaceable, Rayco style teeth is what I'm going to call those. They have the pocket design. Standard flat face couplers are included with case drain coupler. Uses a very simple control kit. It just plugs in with a trailer style plug, which is nice that they aren't using some type of Deutsch molded style plug, where if you're out in the field and you bust this, you can run down to any Napa or trailer supply store and you can get back up and running. That's something I like about Erskine. They build a lot of nice products. We sell a lot of their rock hounds, a lot of their post pounder stump grinders. We picked out a lot of their little key niche things that they build that they're extremely good at. They build a lot of great snowblower and snow equipment, snow blades. Eaton drive motor, direct drive right to the head. Again, this is a complete full swing, full power up and down head. We do have this available also for mini skid loaders. If you're looking for one for your MT or for on your Dingo, let us know if I can help you there. So this pistol grip control, very simple control system. You can bolt it with a U-bolt right in here on your steering lever or wherever you want it mounted in a machine. We have it rigged up here today for test purposes, just with a cigarette lighter plug, so that you can just plug in here. They do give you plenty, and I mean plenty of wire if you want to hardwire it right to your machine to let it there for using it all the time. But we have it rigged up there today just for test purposes here, so you can see what it does in action. We're going to go ahead and swing it for you up and down, that kind of thing, so you can see what it does. But again, we do have adjustable skid shears here, so you can perch it up on and let it swing and cut just the way it's supposed to. I'll go ahead here, fire it up. We have it on an S630 today. Show you a little bit about how this works. One nice thing I like in the Erskine, they have theirs designed and they have a relief valve set up in here. But what they've done, they have a metered valve. That metered valve is going to let that thing drop down in increments, where I've seen some manufacturers, they're using an old technology and a lot cheaper technology of basically having a cushion selection there of different presets that you can jump it up and down. Why Erskine does that is so that every time that goes down, it's going to take just a little wee bit and you're cutting just how you should with a stump grinder. A small pass, small pass, small pass. Where the other units, you can tend to get yourself in trouble and break stuff and bust stuff because you're trying to take too much off at one time. But if you're looking for a standard flow stump grinder that actually works and is geared right to work, here's something to take a look at. These are a great grinder. We've sold quite a few of these, sold a bunch of them for the mini loaders, and every guy's loved them, and they are a productive piece. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you're looking for a landscape rake, post pounder, different attachments from Erskine, let us know. We can get you what you need. 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.